It's been over 2 weeks since the Egyptian military deposed Mohamed Mursi from power. The country remains as polarized as ever, with no signs of reconciliation between the pro- and anti-Morsi camps. Thousands of anti-Muslim Brotherhood protesters demonstrated in Tahrir Square and outside the Ittihadiyya presidential palace on Friday to show their solidarity with the army. Army helicopters flew overhead, dropping gift coupons and Egyptian flags on the gathering. Coupons that can be redeemed by the demonstrators at the army headquarters and included gifts such as drink coolers.
These little things such as flags or gift cards, it's a message that shows the army, police and the people are as one.
Meanwhile, thousands of supporters of ousted Egyptian President Mohamed Mursi marched in cities across Egypt on Friday, including the capital Cairo. Waving Egyptian flags and holding up pictures of Morsi, marching protesters slanted slogans against the move by Army Chief Abdel Fattah el-Sisi.
We all call for return of Morsi, who is the elected legitimate president. We are telling el-Sisi to see the real Egyptians.
The demonstrations came as the military increased security as tens of thousands of pro-Morsi demonstrations staged rival rallies, raising fears of a fresh round of clashes. The army warned it wouldn't tolerate any violence and sent fighter jets screaming over the capital and helicopters hovering over the marches. At least 99 people have died in violence since Morsi's removal. More than half of them when troops fired on Islamist protesters outside a Cairo barracks on July 8th. Muslim Brotherhood leaders say they will not resort to violence in their campaign to reinstate Morsi and insist they will not back down. Maria Galang, CCTV.